Hi everyone, it's Sid. Welcome back to my channel, The Crafty Poodle Mom. I wanted to share with you a couple of last minute goodie bags that I was able to create, or treat bags that I was able to create using some items from my stash, as well as store-bought goodies that I hauled at TJ Maxx and Home Goods. I was able to go pick up just one bag of candy. This one has 60 little miniatures. I also went ahead and picked up this Made Good mini granola bars. They're chocolate chip, and they're like gluten-free, organic, and vegan, and kosher, and made with whole grains. So I picked this up at Target, 30 mini bars. And at Costco, I picked up some Milanos. These are little mini cookie packs that are uber yummy. And so in my last couple of videos back, I had purchased these My Mind Eye crackers. And they came in a set, and I basically stuffed them with candy and snacks, and just basically jazzed it up by adding, this is a ScrapDiva die, a Hey Boo die from I think last year, and I basically used my tool that I have in my stash, as well as these are the mesh tubing from the Dollar Tree that you can find in a variety of different colors. They have them in purple and pink and black. So I used up what I had in my stash. So these are my shortcuts whenever I have multiples to make for like co-workers, or if I have an event at work. So that is something that is a fun way just to use up your stash. I also had plenty of these little trick-or-treat cups that I picked up at Daiso last year, and I stuffed it again with the snacks and candy. I used up my multicolored tinsel, and I just wrapped it around a straw, just make these little curly cues. I added some shred that I also picked up at Dollar Tree that's already in my stash. So this is a fun way of gifting, a shortcut way as well. And in addition, Daiso, they always carry, for every holiday, these really cute either Disney themed or Hello Kitty themed little baggies. And so whenever I go to Daiso in the past, I had picked these up, I think last year or the year before, and I wanted to use them up. So these hold some snacks as well as some chocolate, and it's just a fun way as well to gift as a shortcut. Oh, this one I actually made for, I just prepared for my lash lady. She loves skulls, and this is a little scully that Armin had created and made for us, and I popped it on top of a little wobble so that it wobbles. Isn't that cute? And then this is a scrapbook.com die, the Boo die. I love it. And again, this I found at Home Goods. It's just a cute little packaging, a little cup. They can reuse it if they'd like. I stuffed it with those snacks and chocolate, and then I added the tube. The little tube, I attached it to a little straw on top, and then I added a little Bitmoji, handcrafted for you by Civ, so that I can gift it to my coworkers. Another really cute shortcut. And last year, ScrapDiva, I believe it was last year, she had these little ghost eyes, and I made a his and hers little ghost eye, and I just packaged up some candy to put inside the little box or the little bag, and I think that's so cute. So if you did have time to create some spooky types of handcraft treats, I highly recommend ScrapDiva because she has the most cutest eyes. So I created these last year. I pulled them out of my stash and I'm going to gift them. I have a couple of friends that can't eat chocolate. Being diabetic or pre-diabetic, I also picked up at my favorite market, Trader Joe's. These are some sugar-free peppermint gums that I'm also gifting to some friends. They can also enjoy some treats, some sweet treats, but sugar-free. So I used my Jaded Blossom die to create this little scallop caddy. It's a caddy that I use all the time. And I added some shred as well as the gum, and popped up, this is a little, I forget her name, but I colored this up last year. I used to do a lot of coloring with Copics, and I thought she was really cute. I didn't want to lose sight of her, so I popped her up on top of some crepe paper rosette, added a little sentiment, added a little paper clip up here just to hold it closed, and voila, there's another one. And then here's another one that I created using just some ephemera pieces. I'm also going to add some candy in here. And lastly, this is a candy die as well from ScrapDiva. And I also added a whole bunch of chocolates in here for sweet treats for a neighbor. And it says, "Deadly morsels, beware and consume if you dare." This was a little sticker. And then I added, I made these fun ribbon bows using ribbon, or not ribbon, it's yarn. So I added that to the sides. So this is just a quick, I just wanted to pop on just to share some quick goodie bag ideas, last minute goodie bag ideas that you can actually whip up in a flash to gift out to some fun coworkers, neighbors, or friends. Okay, happy Halloween, everyone. Have a safe, wonderful Halloween. Okay, everyone, so have a fun and safe Halloween. See you next time. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye.